I'm once again here with one of the writing skills, that is diary entry. It is in class 9 syllabus and a question of 5 marks. Now the question arises, why is a diary written or maintained? Children, maintaining a diary is generally a very good habit. Moreover, one can always check facts looking back, remember events, find an outlet, and effectively document one's life this way. Also, some people even name their diaries and address them like an imaginary friend. Children, diary is a personal journal and a private possession. In other words, this diary usually is just for you and it's not for public reading. So one can write liberally. But for the benefit of the readers, we would like to show you all how is a diary entry generally written. What we are laying down here and are good practices that one can inculcate while writing their diary. Children, human beings are thoughtful people. They have numerous thoughts in their minds. Many a times it happens that they do not get the right persons to share those thoughts with. So at that time, diary can prove to be your best comrade, your best friend with whom you can share all your emotions, good or bad, or your experiences, good or bad. Like sharing your experience of watching a bulletin board, or meeting with an accident, or going for a picnic, or licking an ice cream. Good or bad experiences can be shared with your diary when you write all those thoughts there. That is your personal document. Now, I'm going to give you some tips for writing a diary. While making a diary entry, use first person, as this is your personal story or personal account of the event. Second, write the events in correct order. Third, provide important details of place, time, people, or things that were part of that event. Write in your diary, preferably at night before going to bed. You can mention all experiences of the day as well as plans for the next day. It helps you realize how changes took place in your life, the decisions taken by you, and their outcomes. A diary entry helps you relive old memories, happy as well as sad. Your diary is for your eyes only. So be honest with yourself. Don't hide anything or hold back. Your diary is a judgment free zone. So don't feel like they need to be perfect. Let the words flow. Children, you can see the cover page of The Diary of a Young Girl, one of the best sellers. And along with it, you can see one of the pages of the same diary. The book jacket which you have seen is actually a diary written by a little Jewish girl called Anne Frank. The book was an adaptation made out of a teenage diseased girl's diary that was later published by her only surviving family member, her father. But why did she write a diary entry? In fact, why does anyone write a diary at all? Well, the answer is crystal clear, very simple to express oneself. Let's take the example of Anne Frank's diary. The story is told through Anne Frank's eyes and is told with Anne's voice. What this means is that we only see the characters and the events that take place through Anne's point of view. Now, here is an excerpt from Anne's diary. Anne Frank's diary entry. Monday, the day, June 15, 1942, the date, 10 p.m., the time. Dear diary, optional salutation. I had my birthday party on Sunday afternoon. The Ring Tin Tin movie was a big hit with my classmates. I got two brooches, a bookmark, and two books. Even now, I'm going to tell you about the format of diary entry. Now, here is a question. You are the secretary of the welfare organization of your school. Under your leadership, the organization was able to collect a substantial amount for the old age home. Help me. Now, express your sense of pride and happiness in the form of a diary entry. Diary entry is very simple, but at the same time, since it is there in the syllabus, you should know how to write it perfectly, accurately, with the correct format so that you'll score full marks in the exam. Now, first thing is that it should be written in an enclosed figure, that is four-sided enclosed figure. On top, day and date, Sunday, and date, here it is written 31st October 2011. You have to write the date and the year. Then you have to leave a line blank. After that you have to write time, 10:45 p.m. Usually people write, and it is suggested that we should write diary at night. Then you have to again leave a blank line. After that, salutation, dear diary. Then leave a blank line, and then you have to write the body of the diary. First person, I am proud to be a part of welfare organization of my school, and as I always wanted to help the old people through various activities, we collected a sum of more than 2.3 lakhs. This fund will take care of their health care, entertainment and adult education. I feel content and happy like never before. Now this is the body. Then you have to leave a line blank. After that, write your name, writer's name, which is optional. If you want, you can write. If you do not want, don't write. You will not lose marks for writer's name. I'm going to give you one example of a diary entry. You have to start with day, Wednesday, then date, 28 January 2020. Then you have to write the time, that is 10 p.m. Then salutation, dear diary, which is optional. I woke up. I woke up. I is first person, so you have to write the diary in first person. That is, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. We had breakfast and dressed up. Today, we all went to Fantasize Amusement Park near Raipur. We started from home at 7 o'clock. As soon as we reached there, we bought our tickets and went inside. I was so excited seeing the rides. My parents and brother liked the Thunderfall ride. My favorite rides were Water Splash, Caterpillar Ride, Wave Pool, and Pirate Ship. After a couple of hours, we had our lunch. In the afternoon, we had the scariest ride, that is the space gun. We got back to our home in the evening. It was a great day and I enjoyed a lot. Then Sam, the name of the writer, again it is optional. There is a note for you children. You can leave a line space after the date, day and time. Thank you children.